Hey, it's Kate, OWTI. Are you looking for a strong, robust cup of coffee in your single serve coffee maker? I highly recommend checking out these K cups by 8 o'clock coffee. These are the dark Italian espresso cups. I love these. This has been my favorite, especially for that first cup of coffee early in the morning when I really need help waking up. It has such a wonderful, bold flavor of espresso that you would expect from that name. I really love it. The smell is incredible. It's such a great cup of coffee from my single serve coffee maker. I think it tastes amazing black, but I also love to put a splash of soy milk in it, which is personally how I love to take my coffee, and it still maintains that really excellent strong flavor. So if you love your coffee strong and dark, I highly recommend checking out this single serve cup because I think that you're going to love it too, but that's just my point of view.